What if I told you there are 15 classic American cars for sale right now, some starting at just $5,000? Stick around, because a few of these deals might surprise you.
Car number 1, 1968 Cadillac Coupe de Ville. We'll kick things off with this beautiful 1968 Cadillac Coupe de Ville from Clay, New York, priced at $8,000. This two-owner, all-original luxury coupe runs, drives, and stops exactly as it should. The seller says they recently drove it nearly 200 miles without any issues, and it has received several new parts along with OEM replacement components. If you've always wanted a full-size American luxury cruiser, this Cadillac offers incredible value. Car number 2, 1969 Ford Galaxy 500 Country Sedan Wagon. Next is this 1969 Ford Galaxy 500 Country Sedan Wagon from Vernon, New Jersey, listed for just $5,900. It's powered by a 390 V8 backed by a C6 automatic transmission and features dual exhaust, power steering, power front disc brakes, air conditioning, and a Ford 9-inch rear axle. According to the seller, it runs and drives well, but could use a little TLC. It's a classic family wagon with plenty of V8 character.
Car number 3. (1965) Oldsmobile Jetstar I. Here's a rare one. This 1965 Oldsmobile Jetstar I from Fairhaven, Massachusetts is priced at $9,500. Under the hood is a built 425 cubic inch V8 with a performance camshaft and Ross pistons. The seller says the car is solid, rust-free underneath, has a nice interior, and turns heads wherever it goes. It isn't a project, just a classic that needs a few small finishing touches. Car number 4. (1969) Chevrolet Chevelle Concours. Up next is this 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle Concours from Batavia, New York, listed for $9,000. This four-door classic comes with an automatic transmission and gives buyers a chance to own one of Chevrolet's most recognizable body styles from the muscle car era. The seller is also open to trades, making it an interesting option for anyone looking for a solid vintage cruiser. Car number 5, 1965 Ford Mustang. Wrapping up Part 1 is this 1965 Ford Mustang from South Amboy, New Jersey, priced at $10,000. The seller says the car currently does not run and will need some TLC. It also doesn't have a title, although they note it may be possible to register it in New York through the proper VIN verification process. Even as a project, a first-generation Mustang remains one of the most desirable restoration candidates in the classic car world.
Car number 6, 1963 Buick Skylark Coupe. Leading off Part 2 is this 1963 Buick Skylark Coupe from Camillus, New York, priced at $6,000. It's powered by the original aluminum 215 cubic inch V8 paired with an automatic transmission. The seller says it's a great driving car, and that lightweight aluminum V8 is one of Buick's most interesting engines from the early 1960s. For the money, this Skylark looks like an affordable and enjoyable classic cruiser. Car number 7, 1952 Ford Custom Line. Next is this 1952 Ford Custom Line from Saddlebrook, New Jersey, listed for $7,500. This classic flathead V8 sedan has appeared in several TV shows and movies, giving it a unique history. It features upgraded Pertronix electronic ignition, custom dual exhaust, and a recently refreshed paint finish. The seller says it runs and drives, although the carburetor could use a rebuild. It's an honest driver with plenty of vintage charm. Car number 8, 1969 Chevrolet K10. Here's a solid truck project. This 1969 Chevrolet K10 from Middletown, Connecticut is priced at $5,000. The seller says it has rust in the usual places, but the roof and cab are in decent condition. The truck comes with a manual transmission but does not include an engine, making it a good candidate for a custom build or restoration. Square body values continue to climb, and earlier K-Series trucks have also become increasingly desirable. Car number 9.
1954 Chevrolet Bel Air. Now here's a classic with modern upgrades. This 1954 Chevrolet Bel Air from Manorville, New York is listed for $8,500. It rides on a Chevrolet S10 chassis and is powered by a recently installed 350 ATK small block V8 backed by a turbo 350 automatic transmission. With power steering, power brakes, and plenty of new components, the seller says it's a turnkey hot rod that runs and drives great. It's a nice mix of vintage style and modern drivability. Car number 10, 1963 Buick Invicta Wagon. Closing out part 2 is this rare 1963 Buick Invicta wagon from Newark, Ohio, priced at $6,900. Under the hood is Buick's legendary 401 nailhead V8 with an automatic transmission. The seller says it runs and drives, but it still needs the fuel tank cleaned and the power brake booster repaired, so it should be trailered home. Originally from California, the wagon has a solid frame, working power rear window, and a surprisingly well-preserved body. It's a rare full-size Buick wagon with plenty of restoration potential.
Car number 11, 1953 Chevrolet 210. Starting off part 3 is this 1953 Chevrolet 210 from East Brunswick, New Jersey, listed for $6,900. It features the classic 3-on-the-tree manual transmission, along with its original paint and original interior. The dealership says it runs and drives, making it a great option for anyone who appreciates an honest, mostly original 1950 Chevrolet with plenty of vintage character. Car number 12. (1963) Ford F-250. Next is this 1963 Ford F-250 from Webster, Massachusetts, priced at $5,000. It's powered by a 292 Y-block V8 paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. The seller says it starts easily, runs well, and received a new carburetor last year. While it could use a clutch in the near future, it sounds like a solid old work truck that's still ready to be enjoyed. Car number 13, 1967 Oldsmobile Cutlass. Here's a rare survivor. This 1967 Oldsmobile Cutlass from Wayland, Massachusetts, is listed for $8,550. According to the seller, it's a documented one-owner car that was originally purchased new by a woman and has been garage-kept its entire life. Powered by the Rocket 350 V8, it also features factory air conditioning, bucket seats with a center console, power windows, and a power trunk release. The car runs and drives well, making it a unique piece of Oldsmobile history. Car number 14. (1969) Ford Mustang Grande. Next up is this 1969 Ford Mustang Grande from Dearborn Heights, Michigan, priced at $10,000. Under the hood is a 302 V8 backed by an automatic transmission, and the seller says the engine was reportedly rebuilt about 15,000 miles ago. It also features dual exhaust, a rust-free undercarriage, and a clean original deluxe interior. While the paint and body need some attention, it remains a solid driver with plenty of potential. Car number 15, 1968 Buick Skylark Coupe. We'll finish today's list with this 1968 Buick Skylark from Fort Jefferson Station, New York, listed for $7,000. This true barn find sat untouched in a garage for more than 25 years. It still has its original factory 350 V8, original hubcaps, and a remarkably straight, rust-free body. The engine is currently locked up, and one brake line needs repair, but the seller says the body doesn't need restoration work, making this an excellent candidate for a mechanical revival rather than a full rebuild.
Which one would you take home today? Let me know your favorite in the comments. I always enjoy seeing which classics stand out to you. If you enjoy affordable classic cars, hit like and subscribe so you don't miss the next collection of hidden gems for sale across America. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.